Hi, this is Josh from Paradigm. We as machine learning engineers often face many obstacles when taking our experimentation code and models to production. You might have come across situations where you have a trained model in a notebook, but now to make it useful in a production environment, you have to rearrange all your code again and spend more time on building custom infrastructure. This is to do things like scalable deployment and scheduled updating of the model. What we're building at Paradigm is a platform to eliminate this gap between experimentation and production ML code. Here's a quick demo of our product. Okay, this is the homepage of Paradigm where I keep all of my ML projects in order. Let's go into this demo project for iris classification. Here you can see the different steps in the whole project as a pipeline. Now the cool thing here is that if you go into one of these steps, you can see that in the background it's just a notebook, which can be the same notebook you used in experimentation stage. All you had to do is quickly define what the inputs and outputs of this notebook are, and Paradigm handles everything else to fit your code in a production-ready pipeline. Now in reality, I might not do data loading and training as two different steps if it's a small project. But as we scale, it's good to modularize your steps as much as possible. Also, another advantage of this is that via Paradigm, different users or teams can collaborate on one project. For example, the data loading and pre-processing might be done by a data analyst, while the training and evaluation are done by an ML engineer, okay? Now, once I've completed the code for all of my steps, you can easily run this pipeline by hitting this button, and Paradigm automatically runs every step as a pod on Kubernetes. Kubernetes is chosen with scaling in mind and to make sure that you consume the compute resources only when you need them. Let's give this a minute. And there we go. I can see all the logs from the steps and the model is already deployed and accessible via an endpoint. Currently, we're building more features such as the ability to run each step in its own environment and also providing access to GPU compute nodes for steps to use as you need and so on. We will be releasing Paradigm Beta in about a month, so make sure to subscribe for early access by submitting your email on our site, paradigmai.net. Thank you.